Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly for all of you who have been really helpful and working so hard at home. Last week I asked, please can you send as many posts as you can on Tapestry, helping out at home as well as doing your work. So we've got a mix here of all those children really helping out and working hard still at home to give big shout outs. Friday the 29th of January, and it's for nursery reception year 1 and year 2. Here we go, we're going to start up some shout outs and you'll see, look at this, helpful sharks. That's what I love, these helpful sharks. Look, we got Keely hooved the floor, Esma mopped the floor, look at Lily tidied her bedroom, look, Georgia did the washing, and Harley made look at that. Harley, do you know what, seriously, if we could, we'd come round, we'd have lunch. I know we can't, but literally that looks amazing. But look at this, all tidying up, all cleaning, all helping out. You helpful sharks, thank you guys, massive shout out to you all, keep it up. Because actually next week, what I'm going to be asking for is, can we see lots of exercises, okay? So lots of you doing exercises, keeping fit. So for next week, we're going to get lots of shout outs to doing some exercise as well. I'm sure you guys will as well. So but thank you for helping out at home. It's brilliant. Moving on, here we go. Look, Miss Wright Superstar, look at this all the way through. These guys working hard, helping out as well. So we've got Ruben, we've got Elliot, Nella, Archie, Phoenix, Amelia, Lola, Arafat, Maya, and Letty. All of you doing your work, helping out as well, look at Arafat there doing that, Nella doing the washing, look, it's absolutely superb, as well as you still all doing your work and working really, really hard. And for you nursery children, being so independent like that is amazing to see, right? So, and as I said, next week, hopefully we see you doing lots of exercise, lots of different exercise, whether that's Joe Wicks, Jumpstart Johnny, whatever that is. Let's see lots of pictures of you doing exercises, okay, nursery children? Because that's amazing, thank you. Moving on. Oh, look at Mrs. Cook. Look at these shout outs. You've got Alex, Jake, Lily, Robbie, Mia May, Luna, Mia, Dovis, Ryan, Rosie, Gabby, Casper, Ebony, and Ramin. Guys, you are working non-stop. Miss Cook is so impressed with all of your work that is going on. And that is the way you are helping out. You are helping out by making sure you're doing all your work, getting down to and doing the best you possibly can at the moment. So please do keep that up. Miss Cook keeps telling me every day how impressed she is with all of your work and everything that you are doing at home. Keep it up. Thank you, everyone. Moving on. Miss Hawkins Superstars. You've got Esme, Michael, Rosie, Mohammed, Levi, Mason, Cece, Leland, Rebecca, Jordan, Muntaha, Evie, Luca, Oliver, Daria, Tyler, and Sky. Again, guys, you are working so hard. You year twos are really putting it in and going that extra mile. It is amazing. Keep it up. The writing, the maths that's telling the time as well. It's absolutely superb. Your handwriting as well. Reading that's going on. It's brilliant. Keep it up, year twos. Miss Hawkins is so impressed, as I am. It just makes me smile. So thank you guys. Thank you for working so hard. Keep it up. Look at Miss Marshall Shadow, well done for helping out at home and making lots of effort with your work. Again, it's helping out and doing the effort with the work. It's amazing. Look at the science here from Alex. Look, Woody. Oh, Woody, again, look. Please, do you know what? If only we could. They look amazing. Awesome there, out adventuring, doing a bit of science again with the ice. Okay, that was lovely to see as well. Ava, cleaning, washing up here. Look at Logan, helping out, peeling the spuds, and cleaning the car, cleaning the ice off the car. Guys, keep up helping out. Keep up doing that amazing work. And as I've said, look, let's have you doing lots of fitness, lots of workouts next week, lots of pictures of you keeping fit, please, all right? So well done, Miss Marshall's class, and thank you. Moving on, we got look out. Shark shout outs. Look at these sharks. Look at this. You've got Mason, you've got Ava, Jackson, Esme, Toby, Elizabeth, Willow, Yasmin, Harley, Lucas, and Ollie. All of you guys, either working hard or really helping out at home. Look at Jackson, look at there, look, helping out, making there. Esme, beat me to it, look, doing the exercises, okay? Stole my idea there, because I thought, look, we'll have lots of pictures of people doing exercise at home and keeping fit. So well done, Esme, that's really good, because we want more of those next week. We've got lots of shout outs for children doing lots and lots of exercise. Look, as Lucas and Ava are doing here as well. So keep up that amazing work, guys. It is brilliant to get all those shout outs from those sharks, so keep it up. Thank you. Moving on, look at Miss Begum, look at these. Thank you for working hard and sharing it on Tapestry. Indeed, thank you indeed. Scarlett, Beatrix, Sophie, Lily, Anna Maria, Scarlett B, Danelius, Maxwell, Bartos, Teddy, Rebecca, Vitreous, Noah, Jack, and Mason. Guys, amazing work. You are working so hard. Miss Begum is blown away, as I am as well. Thank you all. Keep it up, because that really is helping out. So please keep doing all that work, you year ones. It's fantastic to see. Fantastic shout outs. Well done. Miss Arnold shout out. Look for Total Class. Well done, everyone. Look, Emily, Jack C, Dorian, Evie, Bailey, Charlotte, Lily, Matilda, Alfie James, and Domas. Look, you guys working really hard. Keep it up, please, okay? For you reception children, it's lovely to see you being really independent, helping out at home and working as hard as you possibly can. Massive shout out to you all. Keep it up, guys, and thank you. There we go, look. So, thank you, everyone. Keep on helping out at home. And the challenge for next week is, let's get some pictures of you doing some exercise. Whether that's Jumpstart Johnny, whatever, Joe Wicks, or, going for a walk, going for a bike ride. Let's have lots and lots of you showing the exercises you can do, keeping ourselves fit and keeping ourselves healthy. Till next week. Bye-bye, everyone.